In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph different functions on the graphing calculator. Um, the functions are on the right. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 1, which is a line, and y is equal to x squared plus x minus 6, which is a quadratic, but we graph them the same way. All right, so the magic button to graph is y equals, so we're going to press y equals. Now, some of you may have functions in there already, so we want to clear that out. So you're just going to press the button clear. If you scroll down, you have 10 different choices to graph. We'll just use y1 since we're graphing one graph. All right, so let's bring that back up. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. That is what we'll graph first. So you want to press 2. Then you want to press the variable button, which is found right here, x plus 1. Okay, so now we have the function that we want to graph in y equals. The next thing we want to do is check out the window. So the window is going to tell you what you're going to graph on the x and y axis, the numbers you're going to go to and from. As you can see, I have some weird numbers in my window, so we want to clear all that out. Let's graph for now from -10 to 10 on both the x and y axis. So to change that, you just override it. So I would press -10, since that's going to be the min on x. Scroll down, we'll go to 10. Okay, next you have x scale. You'll probably have 1 in there. It really doesn't matter for what we're doing right now. So you can just press 1, and if it says 1 already, just leave it. Your y min will make -10, and for y max, we'll make 10. Okay, and back there. Okay, and the y scale will be 1, and the x resolution just leave as 1. Okay, again, for now, what we're doing, it really doesn't matter. All right, so you have your function y equals, you set up your window, and now you're ready to graph, so just press the button graph. Okay, and there, you'll see your line. Okay, now let's go back, and now we want to graph that quadratic. Okay, so I'm going to put the quadratic in y2. Okay, so it's x squared plus x minus 6. So x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, right now you can see that both the equal sign on y1 and y2 are bolded. So that means on the graph, both of them will be graphed. I just want to see the quadratic in y2. So what you do is you scroll up to y1, go over to that equal sign, which is bolded, and press enter. Okay, so now it's not bolded, so it's not going to graph that line. Okay, so let's press graph, and you should see the quadratic. All right, and let's go back, and I'll show you what happens if they were both bolded. We can go back up and simply bold it again. So let's have your cursor on the equal sign. Press enter. They're both bolded. Press graph, and you'll see both the line and the quadratic.